Hello fans, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to upload guys Samsung phone guys sound setting guys, and today video title guys, how can we mute guys all sound in our Samsung phone device. Fans, we want to mute guys a Samsung phone guys phone all sounds of how can you mute it, and how can you use it. Today fans, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video fan, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So fan, first of all go to your phone setting guys, and guys we will search here guys mute. So once you can see guys mute all sound guy, we will tap here. Once you can see mute all sound setting guy, we will tap here. Once you can see turn off all sound on your phone including calls at guys, you can see guys this all media says guys all sound will we will mute from here. So friends, this all sound will mute in our Samsung phone device guys. Friends, you can check also, you can see guys sound and vibration setting guys, and friends you can see guys this phone volume setting guys, you can see all sound is mute. So like that guys, we can mute guys all sound in our Samsung phone device. So bye bye guys.